Okay, West Wight Potter fans, or Keel West Wight Potter fans, check this out. This is only after a few minutes of grinding. You can see this is where I did my first few passes with the grinder, more than a few I should say. And this is where I have not done my passes yet. I wanted to show you the difference. Look at this. Oh, big chunk. So again, I'm gonna contact Keel and see if they want me to do a endorsement of their product, because quite frankly I'm shocked and amazed. So back to more grinding and then painting with the primer, and we'll see how that goes. But just an amazing result. And look at this. It's loose. It's completely loose. I got it swinging on the cable. I know I shouldn't be moving it, but I needed to keep it off the ground. And I wanted the mobility. And it's not going to be for a long project. But check this out. Look at that, baby. Fantastic. I can hear some crunching, but hopefully all that stuff will come down or up, and we won't have to worry about it in the future. Okay, West Wight Potter fans, over and out.